Hammer time!
World record wheelbarrow race test run. Ready, Nux?
Oh yeah! I don't foresee any problem trying to do with my hands what the world's fastest runner does with his feet.
And go!
Faster? You got it! We're in the home stretch. Just gotta get through the valley of broken tails. What's our time, Tails? Tails?
What? Oh, I forgot to hit go. Can you do it again?
Oh.
I was in my evil lair all day waiting for that package. I had to take a 2-minute shower. 2 minutes! And when I get out, there's a note on my front door saying I missed the delivery and I need to pick it up here. Why couldn't you just leave the thing instead of leaving the note?
Because we require a signature.
So, can I have it?
Mm-hmm. Thuggery.
Nux. Initiate speeding swing surprise.
No.
I believe I can fly.
Nux, time for a little Tails work.
No!
How about another wheelbarrow race?
Extreme close-up!
You haven't seen the last of me. I'll be back with that note.
Dude, what happened up there? You never miss a cue.
I hate Tails. Huh? What? Oh yeah, I was gonna say go, but then hi, but then go, but then hi. See you later.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
Tails has been hypnotized by man-eating tomato people?
You are fake news, sir.
Yeah, that. Or our pal Tails has a crush on that girl.
You are so adorable.
I am not adorable.
I'm serious and formidable and adorable. I just don't know how to talk to her is all.
Don't worry, pal. You're about to be enrolled in the Sonic School of Impressing the Nux.
That's a good school. It's where I studied hands, feet, and refrigerator repair.
All right, first things first. When talking to Nux, you gotta play it cool.
Play it cool. Got it.
Now, if you do strike up a conversation, allow me to demonstrate. I've hired a local actor to play the part of girl.
Hi, Sonic. Would you like to accompany me to a movie and/or
Time.
change?
Nah, it's cool. I'm just super swamped. Can't be done. Born to be tamed. You know how it is.
Well, maybe we can get a Lime Ricky at the local shop sometime.
Yeah, maybe. Look, I gotta bounce. Catch you on the flip side, babe.
Call him Ricky. We could be happy together. I have dignity.
Never works.
I found the note. It was a dumpster behind my lair. I hope you're dumpster behind my lair. Give me my dumpster behind my lair.
Nope. No!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, hi, Tails. Didn't see you. Catch you on the flip-flop. Okay.
It appears that delivery is back out for delivery.
Why?
He came to pick it up.
I came to pick it up.
That's not what it says here.
See, your first mistake was going to women for advice on Sonic, or as I call them, the Yeah, now you're getting it. What women want is someone who's refrigerator repair.
Let me write that in my Hello Doggy journal.
No, dude! Refrigerator repair. You gotta lift, eat redwood, take up air conditioning. That's what they want.
Do you really respond to that?
No, dude!
My package has been rerouted!
Hey, Zoe. I was just at the gym. This table's got some excellent crap. I think it's particle board. Oh, yeah. I had a birch tree once, chopped it down, built me a cabin out of it.
Steak, extra rare. And your meh meal toy.
Oh, I think I left my band. You're doing this all wrong. If you want to know what women want, talk to a woman. That's brilliant. Where can I find one? I'm a woman. I'm refined, elegant, flower, you jerk! Now, as I was saying, girls like the movies. Watch and learn. See? No. Zoe! Hello? Cow? You smell like stinkweed. What?
Yo, for the love of... Not this train wreck again. Let me help you.
You? But you're our sworn enemy.
Nonetheless, in situations this dire, the bro code trumps the enemy thing. Take my advice. Ditch the... You're the one doing the funky chick in the middle of
Town Square.
Your package.
Finally!
my new background music generator. This will really make my attacks more exciting.
Amy! You and Amy had...
No need, Sonic. Hang on!
exciting as I'd hoped.
Tails, you are amazing!
You know, for kids!
Oh, look who got himself by being the girl. I'd see that coming.
Do you mind?
Yo. Dumpster behind my lair.